Hey there! Have you encountered a workbook in Excel that's marked as final and locked for editing? In this video, I'll show you how to unlock those sections quickly and easily. Let's dive in! The first step is to go to the File tab in Excel. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you can access all the workbook settings. Once you're in the File tab, select Info from the menu on the left. Then, look for the Protect Workbook drop-down. This is where you can see the permission options applied to the workbook. If the workbook is marked as final, you'll see the Mark as Final option checked. Simply click on it again to disable this setting. A prompt will appear to confirm that the workbook is no longer marked as final. Once you've disabled the mark as final, save your workbook to ensure the changes are applied. You're now free to edit any section of the workbook. And that's how you unlock a workbook that's marked as final. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips, and leave a comment with any questions. See you in the next video.